Welcome, and in today's episode, we will be reviewing the CVT Pulley Variator and torque spring for Yamaha NVX 155 and NMAX, where we will be covering the advantages of these products. First and foremost, the pulley kit consists of the primary sheath, primary sliding sheath roller and washers, whereas the torque spring is a standalone product which we will explain soon. Benefits of the CVT Variator pulley include lighter rollers, larger pulley dimensions on top of being lighter itself compared to the standard ones. On the other hand, primary benefits of the torque spring include having a steady spring constant which improves acceleration. Our Uma Racing CVT pulley kit comes with the 6-piece of 10 grams pulley rollers, 3 grams lighter than the standard ones which weighs at 13 grams each. The upper end of having lighter pulley rollers is that it increases acceleration. We can conclude based on the simple graph illustration is that using a lighter pulley roller causes the RPM to rev higher compared to the standard pulley rollers, increasing the rev band, hence increasing horsepower. Acceleration is produced because lighter rollers enables the motorcycle to reach the power range quicker and more effectively. The illustration shows the movement of the CVT transmission in an idling and starting position, all the way up to the high RPMs through the movement of sheaths. During high RPMs, the engine variator rides higher than the clutch variator, and by having a larger variator diameter, the overall drive ratio increases, enabling better top speed. Our Uma Racing torque spring comprises of 1000 RPM and 1500 RPM located at the clutch variator. The function includes increasing tension on the belt to prevent slipping and to keep the transmission from shifting up too quickly. That sums up the benefits and advantages of the NVX 155 and NMAX CVT Pulley Variator Kit and torque spring. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you around.